Good morning.
Yeah.
How are you this morning?
Good.
What's today? December 4th. You're giggly today. Alright, so you want to open it up? Okay. Cherry chocolate. Some sort of sports ball. And a stamp with a letter. Is that a B or a Q?
A B.
A B, okay. Can you get it? Okay. Let's see.
There.
Whoop! He fell out. Chocolate Santa! And what do you want to say? Can you say it, please? Can you say bye? Happy Christmas?